Hey guys, reusable items can be great for the environment, and that's why so many people choose to use them every single day. Whether it's a picnic, a hike, or a day at the office, print your design all the way around these vacuum insulated tumblers for a truly special look that suits your brand. Logos, images, or unique patterns, the sky is the limit. These tumblers are made from stainless steel, which makes them durable while also keeping your drink warm or cold for longer. They come in 3 colors and hold about the same amount as your standard mug, which makes it perfect for that serving of coffee you need to go. The double-walled construction leaves an empty space between the inside and outside layers, meaning condensation won't form, and you can easily pick up your tumbler whether the beverage inside is hot or cold. The transparent plastic lid on top slides closed, making it easy to take a sip on the go. And the lid is also removable for easy refilling and cleaning. Tumblers are rising in popularity for print on demand, so keep your sales hot by adding the vacuum tumbler to your store. Check the link in the description to learn more and start designing yours today. And to see more product reviews and industry insights, like this video and subscribe to Printify's YouTube channel.